Hey everybody, what's going on? Just want to give a quick update on the 48 Chevy Coe. Did a bunch of work. Got the radiator in. It's all plumbed and everything. I got the brake booster in, and I had to recess this 3 inches to clear the hood. Got the battery in. I made an engine tunnel. It's not the prettiest, but who cares? It's going to be covered up with carpet anyways. Got the brake pedal in. Still got to do some fine tuning on it, but at least it's in. And best part is, it runs. Sounds pretty good too. And I may put this back on. This is the original cover. I put it on the right way. Might help. Gotta do some rust repair on it. But that'll cover up the radiator. Make it look a little bit neater. So we're getting there. But it seems to run nice. So that's about it. Got a bunch of stuff done. All right. I'll see you later. Oh, by the way, that brake booster setup and the pedal came from Speedway Motors. And it wasn't a bad price. I don't know, like 150, 180, somewhere around there. But it worked out really good. Okay, see ya.